Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is rejected by the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, and on the smaller time frame, it also broke down this triangle that we were discussing in my last video as well. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line will break down this next support or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I'm also sharing the link for this report in the video's description. You will find there that will show you how many trades I have shared in the previous month, and how many trades were successful and how many trades were unsuccessful. And if you would like to verify any trade, you can just click on the link. It will take you to the idea that I've posted for my members, and I've also shared the screenshots how the price line entered the buying zone and hit the sell targets. Or you can just click on the link here and it will take you to the chart on the trading view. And if you have at least a free account on the trading view, then there is a play button on the chart, and you can click that play button, and that will show you how the price line behaved after posting that idea. Like, I'm clicking this play button, and now you can see that when I shared at that time, it was moving in the buying zone and reverse bullish. And by the way, it was another big pump, and after that the price line is dropped down again. Now let's take a look at the live small time frame first. Let me show you this triangle that we were watching in my last videos. That the price line was moving in this ascending triangle, broke down the support. Here we had a very powerful bullish candlestick. By the way, this is the hourly time frame chart, and this was a hope that the price line may recover back and it will break out the resistance of the same triangle that was broken down. But it is rejected by this resistance of the triangle once again. So it was a confirmation for the breakdown, and it moved down. And the target for this triangle was if I place this trend line here, then this was our target, approximately at $42,500, and you can see that the price line moved down up to $42,120. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we can see that the price line is recently rejected by this rising wedge pattern, and after this rejection, the price line is moved at the support here at $42,000 and testing the support right now. So we can see that recently this support has been breaking as a nice resistance sometimes, and as a support as well. Like here, it was working as a resistance as a support here back in Feb 2022, and here as a support back in January 2022. Here worked as a support. And here back in July 2021, it worked as a very strong resistance. Therefore, it can be significant support for the price line, and we can expect a reversal from here unless this support is not broken down. For example, if it will be broken down, then the next support will be here at, that will be the wedge support as well, approximately at $40,000. Now I want to show you this stochastic here on the daily time frame. That is very important. You can see that it is quite synchronized with the movement of the price line within this rising wedge pattern. We can see that when the price line is touching the support of the rising wedge pattern, and the stochastic is showing that the market of Bitcoin is oversold, then we can see we are having a nice rally to the upside here. Same thing happened here once again. The price line touched the support here. That was just only a spike, and the stochastic was already oversold, and the price line moved up very close to the resistance, again moved down at the support, and here stochastic entered this the oversold zone, and again we had a very nice rally. This time so far the price line did not reach here at the support. It is possible that after breaking down the support of $42,000, we may test the support of the rising wedge. However, the stochastic once again has entered the oversold zone, and if we watch the stochastic more closer, we can see that it is forming lower than previous low, and if we watch the price line, then it is forming here this low, and the next low is higher than previous low. For example, if the price line moves down at the support of this wedge and breaks down this $42,000 support as well, even in that situation, it will be forming another higher low than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence, like oscillator is forming lower low and the price line is forming higher low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence that can lead the price line to start a reversal move from here, that will be a big relief rally, at least up to the resistance that can be approximately, for example, if we will touch here, that will be more than $48,000. So next few hours are very important for Bitcoin. We are again testing this support, and we need to keep an eye on this support, especially $42,000, and also this support of the rising wedge pattern as well. Market is showing, the oscillator is showing that the market has been oversold with a hidden bullish divergence on the daily time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.